Hello and welcome to our video on microplastic ecosystem in the ocean. In this video, we will delve into the detailed explanation of the microplastic ecosystem, explore its causes, examine the process of its formation in the ocean, and discuss concrete steps that have been taken to address this issue. Additionally, we will provide examples of the impacts that have occurred. So, let's get started. Let's begin by defining what the microplastic ecosystem is. The microplastic ecosystem refers to an environment where tiny plastic fragments, known as microplastics, are widely present and impact organisms and ecological processes within it. Microplastics are plastic particles that are smaller than 5 millimeters. They originate from various sources, including single-use plastics, degradation of larger plastics, synthetic fibers released during laundry, and microbeads in personal care products. What causes the formation of the microplastic ecosystem in the ocean? The microplastic ecosystem in the ocean is formed as a result of human activities that generate and dispose of plastic into the environment. Every year, millions of tons of plastic reach the ocean through rivers, direct waste disposal, and maritime activities. Single-use plastics used in daily life, such as food packaging, plastic bottles, and utensils, are the major contributors to this problem. Now, let's examine the process of how the microplastic ecosystem is formed in the ocean. It all starts with the disposal of plastic waste into the environment. This plastic waste then degrades into smaller fragments due to environmental factors such as sunlight, waves, and marine organism activity. These increasingly smaller plastic fragments eventually become microplastics. Microplastics are dispersed in marine waters through ocean currents and winds, accumulating in various marine ecosystems. Now, let's take a look at some examples of the impacts that have occurred as a result of the microplastic ecosystem in the ocean. Marine organisms across various levels of the food chain, ranging from plankton, fish, seabirds, to marine mammals, can be exposed to and experience negative effects from microplastics. Several studies have shown that consumption of microplastics can harm marine organisms, causing organ damage, reproductive disorders, changes in feeding behavior, and other health issues. Additionally, microplastics can contaminate marine habitats, damage coral reefs, and disrupt natural processes within the marine ecosystem. Now, let's explore concrete steps that have been taken to address the microplastic ecosystem in the ocean. Number 1. Reducing the use of single-use plastics. Efforts have been made to reduce the use of single-use plastics through public awareness campaigns, regulations, and the development of eco-friendly alternatives such as biodegradable materials. Number 2. Improving plastic waste management. Enhancing effective plastic waste management systems, including plastic recycling, improving waste infrastructure, and reducing direct disposal into the environment, are being pursued by governments and relevant institutions. Number 3. Education and public awareness. Ongoing educational campaigns and public awareness initiatives aim to increase public understanding of the impacts of the microplastic ecosystem and the importance of reducing plastic use. Number 4. Technological innovations. The development of technologies capable of detecting, collecting, and cleaning up microplastics in the ocean is underway, including the use of robots and advanced filtration systems. Number 5. International cooperation. International collaboration in addressing the microplastic ecosystem in the ocean is crucial. Strengthening international agreements and global strategies is necessary to ensure effective and sustainable measures. In conclusion, we have provided a detailed narrative about the microplastic ecosystem in the ocean, including its definition, causes, the process of its formation, examples of the impacts that have occurred, and concrete steps taken to address this issue. It is important for all of us to be part of the solution by reducing the use of single-use plastics, supporting proper waste management initiatives, and increasing awareness of the impacts of microplastics in the ocean. Let's work together to protect and preserve the sustainability of marine ecosystems for a better future. Thank you for watching this video.